Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to wordforumlive.com. It's a quick one here. How to publish article live on wordforumlive.com. To get started, you need an account. Okay. To create an account, just click on register. Okay. I already have an account, so I don't need to register. But if you don't have an account, enter your username, enter your email address, your password, then verify that you are a human. Then check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of wordforumlive.com. As I said, I already have an account. All I need to do is to click on login here. You can also use these two tabs. Click on login. Okay, then your password. Then click on login. And you are good to go. Okay, it will log in. As you can see, my name is here, Waxing. Okay, so to publish, go to post trade, give it a click. As you can see, there are so many categories. So select your categories, the category you want to publish. Okay, so the category, your article should be related to the category. Okay, so live here, let me publish this video. So I will go to just introduction because it's all about wordforumlive.com. So let's just give it a click. So over here, what should you do? You have to do what? Enter the title. Are you seeing it? You have to enter the title. Enter the title. Are you seeing it? Then enter what? The content. You can write live on the description module. Okay, you can write on your articles here, or you can use your email. Yes, as you can see, I wrote this article live from my email. Email also have spell check. Okay, so it's nice writing from email. There's nothing bad about that, such as Gmail. Okay, your Gmail, or you can use Grammarly. Okay, you can use Grammarly. It's a nice writing tool. Okay, so those are the tools I use in writing this article, as you can see. So to import image, to add image to your content, like I want to add image here. As you can see, I have positioned my cursor here. Okay, so let me centralize it. My cursor is centralized. Look at this tab, insert image. Just click on it, then click on drop. Then you have to do what? Select your image. This is the image I want to select, and pay attention to the size of the image. 1 megabyte. If it is above 1 megabyte, sorry, Wordforum may flag it. Okay, the bandwidth of the image need to be light. As you can see, the bandwidth of most of this image is less than 1 megabyte. Okay, some of them, this one is 122 kilobyte, the 100 kilobyte. So click on here and wait for it to do what? To import. Are you seeing it? It's now live here. Okay, so to add a link, you can simply highlight and click on link. This is link. Okay, so that is it. So once you're done, to add a video, like once I'm done with this video, to add this video is as easy as ABCD. Okay, so let's assume my plan is to add this video at the footer end or the middle end. Okay, so I will take my cursor to there. Then are you seeing this media tab? Just give it a click. You can embed YouTube videos, Facebook videos, TikTok videos, etc., Twitter videos. Okay, you can embed any social media videos here. Just copy the video link, paste it here, and click on continue. Wordforum will do what? We embed it live on your article post. Okay, or you can say your article thread. I'm not done with this video. Once I'm done with this video, I will publish it, be it on YouTube or Facebook. Then I will copy the link and embed here. Are you getting it? So once you're done, click on post thread. That is all. Okay, your post will go live. For example, let me click because I can re-edit. I can re-edit. It has been published. Okay, it has been published. Are you seeing it? So to re-edit it is as easy as ABCD. Click on edit to re-edit it. So that is how to do what? Publish an article live on wordforumlive.com. As you can see, this is the article. Are you seeing it? So to edit it, of course, you can edit it. You can follow thread. People can come and comment. Okay, you can also even write more thread. If you're using thread version, that is maybe you're writing series of articles on one topic. Okay, you can start a thread. This is just a start thread. You can also follow more thread articles. Are you getting it? But in my own case, once I'm done with this video, what I will do is to click on edit and embed the videos. Okay, there are other images that I need to add on this article. Hope you got it. That is simple how to publish your article live on wordforumlive.com. I remain my humble self, moderator Mbono Watson. On behalf of all of us, wordforumlive.com admin, thank you so much for watching this video, and keep referring people, keep inviting people to wordforumlive.com. Bye for now.